Namaste everyone. In today's video, I wanted to share with you about our purpose in our life. Many of us struggle to find what our purpose is and sometimes go through all our life just seeking and looking for our life purpose rather than actually living it. My name is Priya. I'm very passionate about sharing positivity and empowering others to live their life to their fullest. We're all creators. We have the capability to create our life the way we want. So let's make it beautiful together. Let's dive in. So today's topic is about purpose, your life purpose. Many of us really sometimes get lost. I would say almost all of us do get lost in our life, where we don't know what we want in our life, where we don't know what we are serving, what our purpose for being here is, and we tend to get really lost in it that sometimes some of us don't even take any actions because we're so stuck in what we need to do rather than actually doing any actions and trying to figure things out by doing. So what happens is most of us, we get stuck in this dilemma of not knowing what we need to do to find out what our true purpose of our life is. And sometimes we get stuck in seeking that rather than really focusing on trying things out and figuring out if that works for you, if you feel something in your heart chakra or your crown chakra, if you're feeling an instinct of like this is meant for me. But if you won't know what you like, what you're good at, what your purpose of being here, if you don't take that action. Most of us wait for knowing what to do rather than doing it and figuring things out. So what you should be doing is really taking action. Action speaks louder than anything. You really need to take action to manifest what you want. That's how law of attraction works. Even the word attraction has the word of action. So without action, you can attract what you want in your life. But regardless of that, regardless of manifestations and attractions, just living your life requires movement. If you're not moving, you're not living. You need to keep moving. And I'm not saying you need to keep moving upwards or, climb the corporate ladder. It has nothing to do with that. But it's about really evolving your soul. Our soul is meant for evolving and growing. And yes, our ultimate soul is like the higher soul is divine being, and therefore has all the information. It's the most powerful source that you should be connecting with. But regardless of that, our soul purpose here is to evolve and grow and experience things. And if you're not taking actions or trying things out, then you won't experience it, and therefore you won't grow. So what you need to do is really try things out and see what you're good at. A lot of people like to help people out. A lot of people like to do things. Many of us have like-minded visions about ourselves, serving others and helping others. But what most of us lack is the experience, the skill sets, and actually the confidence. And if you don't have the knowledge, skill set, confident, the experience, then it's going to be really tough to move forward. So what you need to do is really start equipping yourself. One of the things Grandmaster Akshara has told us is really equip yourself, really build yourself. And what that means is not just like you need to build yourself spiritually as well. So do yoga, do meditations to help you form yourself better, to help you build yourself and strengthen yourself where you can achieve higher greatness. But also to acquire knowledge, to seek knowledge, to learn new things, to really be a seeker, be a learner all the time. Don't be like someone that you feel like you already know something already, or feel like it's not for you. You won't know it's not for you unless you try it. So try something new, try to learn something new. And if it doesn't feel right, if it doesn't feel that that's what your path is, then you can let it go. But you learn and you get experience and you grow from every experience that you encounter. So basically, there's nothing that goes wasted. So you can't say, oh, I tried this, but then now I'm not good at it. But rather than like not taking action, it's best to try something and know if it's worth it for you or not. The other thing is really making you being the best at what you do. A lot of us try to we're good at trying new things. We do something out of the ordinary. We'll try that out. We'll find a course on something and we'll learn something about it. But we don't make ourselves be best at it, meaning being an expert at it. Therefore, you know a lot of things, but you know a little bit about a lot of things. But knowing in-depth knowledge and acquiring that skill set in a way where you're like an expert is another story, because in that sense, then you can do greater things and serve others with that. So then you'll find your true purpose by going through this journey, rather than being not taking any actions and being stuck in a room or a chair or a bed where you feel like you're lost and you have nothing to do. Rather than being that way, be a seeker, learn something, try something new, take some actions, and keep growing. And if it doesn't work out, it's okay. It's never a waste, and just keep going at it. And the minute you start living your life that way, you actually start living, rather than planning your life, rather than sitting down and not knowing what to do. You actually start living. And that's what our life purpose is. Just keep experiencing, keep expanding our horizon. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please click the like button, share this video with others. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button, as I'm very determined to creating weekly videos for you guys to empower you to live the best version of you. Until then, namaste.